Hello, good morning, grade 4. So by the way, I am Leila Sewela, your math teacher. You can call me Teacher Lay. So for now, I will show you the videos I will show you the slides that I prepare for you for our lessons for you to understand more. Okay, so for today's lesson we are going to discuss about whole numbers through millions. So this is your first week lessons about whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers through millions. Okay, so first let's have a pre-test to test you if you have learned in your previous lesson during grade 3, di ba? With your math teacher. Okay? So let's have first number 1. What is the place value of 4 in 5,341? The place value, di ba? It includes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So what is the place value of 4 here? We have ones, tens. So that is tens. Okay, next, number 2. What is the value of 3 in 5,341? What is the value of 3? Okay, let's see. Okay, that's 300. Okay, 3 is in a hundreds place. So it's 300. Next, number 3. 619 in symbol is, what is 619? Okay, that is 619. Next, number 4. In 741, 471, and 714, which number is the greatest? Okay, which number is the greatest here among the three numbers? We have 741. Okay, next. Write 620 in words. So, how are you going to write 620 in words? Okay, 620. Next. Okay, so arita sa tong lesson 1. Place values and values through hundred thousands. Okay. All the Israelites 20 years old or more who were able to serve in Israel's army were counted according to their families. The total number was 603,550. Okay, I get that in Bible verse Numbers 1, verse 45 to 46. Okay, so let us study this number 603,550. The place value and value of each digit. Okay, we have here the digits 603,550. Then in our thousands place, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Then in our ones, we have hundred, tens, and ones, or ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So we already have here the digits. Okay, so what is the place value of 0? Place value of 0, the last digit, di ba? We are going to start ones, tens, hundreds, di ba? So we have here ones. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Mao na siya. Then, in our value, the value means the money. Okay, we have, for our 0, 1 since 0, so 0 siya. On tens means 50. 100, so the value is 500. 3 in thousands place is 3,000. 0 sa 10,000 is 0. 6 in hundreds place is 600,000. Okay, next. Okay, we have more examples here. What is the place value and value of the underlying digit? Okay, we have here first example. 4,567. The place value is hundreds. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So since hundreds place, so the value is 500. Next, in 67,452, the place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So the place value is 10,000 and the value 10,000 man. So that is 60,000. The value is 60,000. Next, 198,342. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So the place value of one is 100,000. And the value, since it is in the hundreds place, so the value is 100,000. Next, we have 36,824. So the place value is number 2 ang underline. So this is ones, tens. So the place value is tens. Since the value, we have the value is 20. Make ra na nimo og 0 ang iyang next nga number ha. Sa to ang value niya. It's in the tens place, so that's 20. Next, 931,592. The place value is okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it is in thousands place. Since it is in a thousands place, so the value is 1,000. Okay. Next, we have now the activity. Write the place value of each underlined digit. Okay, grade 4, can you follow me? What is the place value of each underlined digit? Ato our underlined digit in number 1 is 6. So it is in a hundreds place. Okay, so hundreds. Okay, number 2, 14,392. So 9 is in the tens place. Okay, number 3, 626,451. The underlined digit is 6. So that is in a hundred thousands. Next, number 4, 94,157. The underlined digit is 7. It is in the ones place. Okay. Next, number 5, last number, 89,845. The underlined digit is 9. It is in the thousands place. Okay. Are you still following grade 4? Next, we have now in the activity 2. Can you please help me read the instruction? Write the value of the digit 5 in each of the following numbers. So we are going to write the value of the digit 5. So we are going to find the 5 here. Okay, number 1. We have 57,942. So we have 5 here in the tens place, diba? So that is 50,000. Next, number 2, 546,926. So we have 5 in hundreds place. So make zeros our remaining numbers. We have 500,000. Next, number 3, 145,870. 5 place is in the thousands place. So that is, the value is 5,000. Next, number 4, 32,524. The 5 is in a hundreds place, so the value is 500. Next, last number 5, 132,658. The value of 5 is 50. Okay. Next lesson. We have reading and writing numbers in symbol and in words. Okay. Okay, the Bureau we have here to explore and discover. And the Bureau of Forest Development donated 3 seedlings to each pupil in Region 2. The total number of seedlings donated was 64,821. So how do you read and write the number 64,821 in words and in symbol. Okay, so we have here the number 64,821 is read as, okay, this is the word 64,821 or in symbol mao ni siya. Okay? Okay, continue. So we have here examples. Can you please read the numbers and the words? Okay. We have first example. 23, this is in a millions place. 23,045,761. Okay, so this is in word. 23,045,761. Okay, next we have 8,106,425. This is in word. Okay. Please take note mo sa spelling sa mga words ha. Then 12 million. Okay, we are going to read the words. 3,337,804 in symbol. Okay, this is mao ni siya. Then 271,493 is read as kaninga word. Then 58,927 in symbol. Okay, 58,927. Then 70,010. Okay, 70,010 kay zero man siya diri. So 70,010. Next 7 1,269,000 in symbol. Error type na si 7. So we have 1,02,069. So mao ni siya. 1,02,069. Wala nilabot si 7. Error na siya. Typo error na siya. Okay, next. Okay, write the missing number between the given numbers. Then read these numbers. Okay, you can ask guidance to your parents when you are studying this. So also in reading these numbers. Okay. Number 1. Okay. We have 34,679. Then the next is 34,680. Then 34,681. And to be followed by 34,682. Okay, next, 78,890. So the next two numbers are 78,891 and 78,892. Next, 123,453. The next numbers are 123,454 and 123,455. Next, 89,542. The next numbers are 89,543 and 89,544. Next, 8,156. Okay, next numbers are 8,157 and followed by 8,858. Okay. So now, lesson 3, we have comparing and ordering whole numbers. Compare, and we are going to compare and the orders of whole numbers. Okay. The Israelites are to camp around the tent of meeting, distance from it. Each man under his standard with the banners of his family. On the east, camp of Judah, led by Nelson, son of Aminadab. His division number is 74,600. Next to them is the camp of Issachar, led by Nathanael, son of Zoar. His division number is 54,400. So which camp has more division numbers? Camp of Judah, diba, has 74,600. While camp of Issachar is 54,400. So, which is greater man? 76,000 or 54,000? Okay, so 74,600 is greater than 54,400. Okay. So when comparing two numbers, you can follow this step. Okay, follow this step when comparing numbers. First, align the digits with the same place value. Okay, we have here the step. To compare 13,656 and 13,465. So we have here the step 1. Align the digits with the same place value. Okay, di ba? Gi-align nato, gitungod nato dire. Gitungod nato sila. Next, starting from the left, compare the digits in each place value. Okay, step 2, starting from the left. Okay, this is the left, di ba? Compare the digits in same place value, di ba? We have here our 10,000s place, di ba? Same, it's 1. Okay. The first pair of digits that are of different values will determine which number is greater or less. Okay. So we have here, di ba? 13,656. So we align 1, 3, 6, 5, 6, and 3.4, 6, 5. Okay, we are going to start from the left side. Same ang 1, same si 3. Okay, si 1 here, same digits in the 10,000s place. Then same digits in the thousands place, kani si 3. Then compare the digits in the hundreds place. So our hundreds place, di ba, it is 6 here and 4. So which is bigger, 6 or 4? Di ba 6? That's why the bigger number is 13,656. So the symbol is kana siya. Ang buka is naa sa pinakadako. Okay? Next. Okay, we use these symbols to compare numbers. We have for greater than, kaninga symbol. For less than, kaninga symbol. And if the numbers are equal, we use this equal sign. So in addition, the more digits in a number, the bigger is its value. So the more digits means the more digits, kung daghan ang digits, mas daghan ang digits katong pinakadaghan maoy pinakadako. Okay, let us compare these following four numbers. We have 931, 7,234, 65,041, and 400,561. Di ba 93 is a 3-digit number? Then 7,234 is a 4-digit number. And 65,041 is a 5-digit number. Then 400,561 is a 5-digit number. So again, the more digits in a number, the bigger. So, mas gamay si 931 from list ni siya. 931 is lesser than 7,234. Then less pa jud siya ni 65,041. Og less pa yun si 65,041 ni 400,561. Or mag-start ka sa pinakadako from the greater 400,561 greater than 65,041, then greater siya ni 7,234, then 7,234 greater pa jud siya ni 931. Okay. Next. So we are going to arrange the following in increasing order. Increasing means pa-increase, di ba? Least to greatest. Okay, which number ang pinaka-least dire? We have 2,357, 2,323, 2,373, or 2,345. So which number is the lesser? Least to greatest. So magka dako. So di ara yang arrangement. Mas dako si 2,373. Then pinakagamay 2,323. So orange na siya from least to greatest. Okay, next number. We have 6,524, then 654, 642, and 6,354. Okay. So which number is the least? Again, we are going to start the lesser number. Okay, the lesser number is 642, then 654, 6,345, and the greatest is 6,524. Okay, next activity. Arrange the following in decreasing order. Decreasing means nagka-decrease, nagkagamay. It is from greatest to least. Okay. Example number 1. Activities. Number 1. 2,357, 2,323, and 2,373, and 2,345. Okay, which number is the greatest and the least? Okay, so the greatest is 2,373 and the least 2,323. Okay, arrange na siya from greatest to least. Next number, we have 6,524, 654, 642, and 6,354. Okay, greatest to least means sa pinakadako to pinakagamay. We have, nagauna si 6,524 because it is the bigger number, and the last is 642, the lesser number. Okay. Next, last lesson, we have rounding whole numbers. Okay, rounding. Okay, so the diameter of the Earth at the equator is about 12,756 kilometers. About how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? About kuan man siya. The question is about how many thousands. So it is kuan. It is asking the estimated or the rounding numbers. So you can find the answer by rounding 12,756 to the nearest thousands. At ito sa thousands place, it is, I'm talking about thousands, so thousands place ta. So 12,756 rounded to the nearest thousands is 13,000. Okay, let's find out why. We have here the rules in rounding off a number given a specific place value. Okay. Rounding up rule. Rounding up rule means kaning kuan mo up imong numbers. Okay. If the digit to the right is 5 or more, again, if the digit to the right is 5 or more, sa left sa given number, sa specific value, sa right, ang numbers nga 5 or more, add 1 to the digit you are rounding off then. The digit to its right becomes 0 and the left digits are retained. Again, if the digit to the right is 5 or more, kung ang numbers to its right is 5 or more, then you are going to add 1. Then the right becomes 0 and the left digits are retained, so magpabilin. Then while rounding down rule, so if the digits to the right is 4 or less, means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, retain the digit you are rounding off. Then the digits to its right become 0 and the left digits are retained. Okay, we have here more examples. Okay, study these tables. We have a numbers. Okay, number 1. We have 24,278. Okay, we are going to round off this into 100,000. Since this is in a 10,000 place lang, so we don't have any value for 100,000. 10,000. Okay, di ba? Our 10,000 place is 2. Kani siya, this 2. This is in a 10,000. So what is the next number to 2. 2 is the numbers that we are going to round off, di ba? Then what is the number next to 2? That is 4, right? So again, the rule if numbers from the numbers next to the rounding numbers is 4 below or 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, you are going to retain the number and then the numbers to the right become 0. Okay, that's why we have 10,000s. Okay? Next, how about in the hundreds? Okay, ang hundreds na to, okay, wala ni siya. This is also a typo error. Hundreds na to kay ang 2 no, next sa 2 is 7. That's why you are going to add 1 because it is in the rule if the number next to rounding numbers sa iyang right, if 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are going to add 1. So that's why it become 300. But kailangan i-write ni siya si 24. Kuwangan siya og 24. So that's 24,300. Then sa tens, if we are going to round off the tens, okay, it become 80. Kay our tens is 7 man. So si 7, iyahang next kay 8. So that's why we are going to add 1. It's become 80. 80, make 0 sa right numbers, then copy the numbers in its left. So, wala na to siya na-copy diri. Okay, next, number 2. Ano ito sa number 2? Okay, number 2, we have 815,673. So, we are going to round off to 100,000s. Okay, 100,000s na to kay kani si 8, diba? We have 8 here, the 100,000s place. So what is next to 8? What number is next to 8? Diba we have 1? So again, in the rules in rounding, the right next number to the right of a rounding number, if it is 4 down, 4, the number is 4, 3, 2, 1, we are going to retain the number, then make 0 ang mga numbers sa right. So that's why it is 800,000. Okay, next, sa 10,000s place. In the 10,000s place, we have 815,673. Then the 10,000s place is the 1. Okay, so what is the number next to 1 in its right? It's 5, right? So si 5, sa rule na to, if the number is 5 or more, we are going to add 1. So ang 1 na to, become 2 na, di ba? So 2, then the number in its left, we're just going to copy. That's why we have 2 here, then copy 8. Then the remaining number to its right will become 0. So that's why it is 820,000. Next, in the hundreds place. So, the hundreds place na to is 6, di ba? We have ones, tens, hundreds. So, hundreds place is 6. So, what number is next to 6? We have 7, right? So, what will happen to our 6? Since it is 7, we are going to add 1. That's why 6 plus 1 is 7. Then, copy the numbers in its left. 815, then the number in its right, make it 0. So that's why it's 0, 0. Okay, next, in the tens place. Okay, our tens place is 7, diba? 7. So what number is next to 7? 3, diba? So again, in the rule in rounding of 4 or less, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Retain the number. That's why we retain the number 7. Then copy the numbers in its left and make the number in its right 0. Okay, next number. 381,245. So our 100,000 place is 3. So what number is next to 3? We have 8. So that's why we are going to add 1. So 3 plus 1, it's 4. Then since wala siya number sa iyang left, so just 4. And make the numbers in its right became 0. So that's why it is 400,000. Next, in the 10,000 place. So 10,000 place is 8, right? So what is the number next to 8 in its right side? 1, right? So again, the rule is if the number to the right of a rounding number, the next number is 4 or less, we are going to retain the number. So that's why we have 8. Retain na to si 8. Then copy the number in its left and make its number to the right 0. Okay, next, to the hundreds place. Our hundreds place is 2. So, what is the number next to 2? We have 4, di ba? Okay, so 4. Okay, retain the number. Copy 2. Then copy the number in its left side and make the number in its right side zeros. Next, sa tens place, the tens place is 4. Since the next number of 4 is 5, so we are going to add 1. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. That's why we have 5 here. And then copy all the numbers in its left and make 0 to its right. Okay, next, number 4, last number, 7,942. What is in the hundreds place? We have 9, right? So the next number to 9 is 4. So are we going to add or retain? Okay, we are going to retain the number. Kay 4 or less, Kai, retain the number. Okay, so we have 9 here, then copy 7, then make the remaining number to its right 0. Then also in the tens place, 4. The next number is 2. Copy, retain the number, then make the 0 in its right. So again, the rule in rounding of numbers, if the next numbers to the right of a number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are going to add 1. Then if the specific numbers to be round off, next to its right is 4, 3, 2, 1, so we are going to retain the number. Then copy the number on its left and make the numbers 0 to its right. Okay, next. Okay, we have more examples here. Okay, we have here more examples. Okay, rounded numbers to the nearest place value means to the nearest place value kung unsay gihatag. Okay, we have 6,578 to the nearest tens. So what is our tens place? Di ba 8? So 8 is wala na siya tapad, so just remain 6,578. Next, 700, okay, sorry. Next, 763,810 to the nearest thousand. So what is in our thousands place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the thousands place is 3, right? So what number is next to 3? What number next to 3? It's 8, diba? So are we going to add 1 or retain the number? Okay, we are going to add 1 since 8 na siya. So it will become 4. Then copy the numbers to its left and make 0 the numbers to its right. So 764,000. Next number, we have 5,572. Round off to the nearest hundreds. What is our hundreds place? We have 4, right? Okay, so 4. What is next to 4? 7. So we are going to add 1. 4 plus 1, it's 5. Then copy the number to its left and make the number to its right 0. Next, 106,447,542 to the nearest million. So this is our millions place, is 6. What is next to 6? 4, diba? Okay, so 4, so retain the number. Copy the number in its left, 106. then 400,000. That is 400,000 na siya. Okay, now, let's do this activity. Round each number to the place value of the underlying digit. Round each number to the place value of the underlying digit. So we have number 1, 67,436. That what is the underlying digit? We have 7. What number is next to 7? It's 4, right? So are we going to add 1 or retain the number? Again, the rules in rounding. If the number to the right is, if the next number to the right is 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are going to add 1. If the numbers to the right is, next to the right is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, retain the number. Okay. So number 1, we have 67,000. Kay? Why? Because next to 7 is 4, di ba? Okay, next. 34,673. The underlying digit is 7. Next to 7 is 3. So we are going to retain the number. Then copy the number in its left and make the number to its right 0. So we have 34,670. Next, 387,045. The underlying digit is 3. So what number is next to 3? We have 8, right? So we are going to add 1. It will become 4. Then make the numbers to the right 0. That's 400,000. Next, 272,190. We have 272,190. The underlying digit is 1. What number is next to 1? We have 9. So plus 1, it will become 2. So 272,200. Next, 74,982. The number next to 4 is 9. So again, we have to add 1. That will become 5. So 75,000. Okay? Grade 4, the end of our slide. So no more questions, grade 4. By the way, grade 4, you can answer now your module. Then you have any question, you can message me or mention me in the group, or you can message me privately. PM lang muna ako kung na may mga questions. Okay, so I will also ask kaning, sorry sa katong typo error na ko ha, sa dinhi nga examples og dire sa 4 niya sa kinalasan. Okay, so thank you so much, grade 4. I hope you learned you have learned to this video. So play lang you play lang ani nga video so that maka-answer mo sa inyong module. You follow, okay? Then again, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much, grade 4. This is Teacher Lay again. Bye.